Have you ever encountered a problem like this where when you go to subtract, it just doesn't work? So let's try to answer this question using a new technique called borrowing. So I have 22 minus 8. So if I line up the numbers according to their place values, I should normally first do 2 minus 8. But as you know, I can't easily do 2 minus 8. So instead what I can do is I can jump to the tens column, and what I'll do is instead of having a 2 here, I'm going to borrow a 10. So instead of 20 left, I'm going to have 10 left, and I'm going to take the 10 from the 20 and put it right here. So I'm going to now have 12 minus 8. Well, I can do 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. And now I'm left with the 1 from over here. I can bring that all the way down. So 22 minus 8 would be 14. Let's try another one. 170 minus 59. So in this case, 0 minus 9 is not doable. So I can go from over here, borrow a 10. So this will drop from 7 to 6. And this will now become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. I now have 6. So 6 minus 5 is also 1. And this one over here is not subtracted from anything, so I bring it all the way down. So 170 minus 59 is 111. Let's try an even trickier one. So here I have 1,230 minus 60. First I have 0 minus 0, which is 0. Now I have 3 minus 6, which I cannot do. So I'm going to borrow a 10 from here, and this will become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. I have the leftover one from this column, and this one is not subtracted with anything. So my final answer is 1,170.